know why I'm coming on TikTok with it? Because my man not over here. Yeah. And about not over here for screen recording and sending it. Remember the dollar and the manners? So I can't go live with class. Somebody but me go address you. Nassif doll. I see every message, everything. And when Matic there for your life, when Matic there yard, in the big house, I drink champagne. Because when me and Matic, they should never drink champagne. I soda would drink the blood clot. I take Matic care, Matic and give Matic champagne in a wine glass. Where Matic not stop choke. Me a mash it up. Yeah, Nassif doll. The black girl with the big body and the big shit breast, them, the big doodle breast. Yeah. Me and Matic know about me go bring you down. You're too outsider, you're too bad man and red eye. You're red eye. Bad. Nassif doll, why you was moderator you go fuck Matic? You make Matic fuck out your older 850. Yeah, that's the truth. So I will hear Matic dep on live and dep on Babe and Rain. You're in a new house and Nassif house. Nassif, you paid for going on my ex-life. You pay me first. You pay entry to enter Matic life. You couldn't go in there free. Because I lick steam out to your blood clot and beat Matic after. In a real life, because they know my ex. Yeah. How do it? Look up on TikTok and send beer big gift to girl for going a girl relationship. Who are all of them LBG? The girl, the real woman, them. And the lesbian woman, them don't look out because the gift of them bad in the blood clot. Nassif, how you sleep? How you sleep? When you lay down with Matic, how you feel? If you know say it's a moderator. Cheater. The girl with the cast eye will go so. She, every time she comment on a Matic picture, Nassif send her it back. And I say, won't in. From morning, I say, cheater, Matic a friend. Yeah, I see the screenshot. You black go, you black come. That's why I'm black you, because I'm pick up something about you. I'm pick up something about you. I pick up something about you. Nassif, no girl, no boy will me take. All when me and him left them, I for warm about the blood clot, my pussy good. My pussy real good. Real good. Yeah. Real good. Real good. Remember them, yeah? Now put in no water. Forget nothing for feel no. Then they're natural. This so nah blood clot trial. Yeah. Big up to my mate, the gifter. We gift up on TikTok right through. Big up. Big up to my moderator, will take my girlfriend. Big up. But guess what? I'm not going to cuss you because you do a good job. You enter the relationship, but you pay me first. Because you spend out your credit card for me and blood clout. You're top girl. Yeah. That's the truth. So all the girl are talking at the background, you will come from St. Kitts, Nassif. I saw St. Kitts, girl, them still the love fuck with the travel on the pussy. No bad by yourself. Yeah. Bad by yourself. But you see Dior? You see Dior? You have to love Dior. You have to love Dior. Yeah, next month I come my birthday, more you add one bad blood clot Dior shoes and a Dior suit. Yeah, you have to do it, step up again. You have to step up again. You have to step up again. Or else, they will come on at 219 and I'm going to deal with around here wicked. Yeah. Anything you give a tick, you have to remember Dior. Yes. Because I named the Pana birth paper there. And I run to you. Come to you.